Have you ever noticed how easy it is to talk about your dreams? To share your grand plans with friends and family? To spend countless hours discussing what you'll achieve someday? We're all guilty of it. But there's one man who understood that success isn't built on words, it's built on action. That man was Walt Disney. Picture this, a young animator in Kansas City barely making ends meet, with nothing but a dream and a mouse. Walt Disney could have spent years telling people about his vision for revolutionizing animation. He could have endlessly discussed his ideas for creating the world's most magical entertainment empire. Instead, he gave us this powerful truth. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. This wasn't just a clever saying. It was the philosophy that transformed a small animation studio into a global entertainment phenomenon. When Disney first imagined Mickey Mouse, he didn't just talk about it, he drew it. When he envisioned Disneyland, he didn't just describe it, he built it. Every success in his life came from this simple principle: action trumps discussion. Think about your own life for a moment. How many brilliant ideas have you had that never made it past the conversation stage? How many dreams are still waiting in the wings while you perfect your pitch? We often fool ourselves into believing that talking about our goals is the same as pursuing them. It's not. Talk creates the illusion of progress while keeping us safely in our comfort zone. The beauty of Disney's wisdom lies in its simplicity. He's not suggesting you need extraordinary talent, unlimited resources, or perfect timing. He's simply saying that the difference between dreamers and achievers is action. Every major innovation, every breakthrough, every success story started with someone who decided to stop talking and start doing. But here's what makes this quote truly powerful. It's not just about big dreams and grand ambitions. It applies to everything in life. Want to get fit? Stop discussing different workout plans and do your first push-up. Want to write a book? Stop explaining your plot to friends and write your first paragraph. Want to start a business? Stop analyzing market trends and serve your first customer. The real magic happens when you embrace the discomfort of doing. When you take that first imperfect step, you learn more than you ever could from endless discussions. Walt Disney's first animations weren't perfect. His early theme park concepts had flaws, but each action taught him something valuable. Each step forward revealed new possibilities. Consider this: every minute you spend talking about what you're going to do is a minute you're not actually doing it. Time is our most precious resource, and action is its best investment. When you begin doing, you set in motion a powerful chain of events. You gather real-world feedback. You develop practical skills. You build momentum. Most importantly, you transform from someone who talks about dreams into someone who achieves them. The world is full of talkers, people who have brilliant ideas but never act on them. But history remembers the doers. Walt Disney could have been just another animator with big dreams. Instead, he became Walt Disney, because he understood that magic happens in the doing, not the talking. So here's your challenge. After this video ends, identify one thing you've been talking about doing. It doesn't matter how small or large it is, then take one concrete step toward making it happen. Don't plan it, don't discuss it, don't perfect it, just do it. Because somewhere between your endless discussions and your grand plans lies a simple truth. The only way to turn dreams into reality is to quit talking and begin doing. Your future is waiting, not in the words you speak, but in the actions you take. Walt Disney knew this. Now you do too. The question is, what will you begin doing today?